Duragrout GP. Duragrout GP is a ready-for-use Portland cement-based grout supplied in 25 kg bags. Merely add water. It also does not shrink during curing. This video serves as an instructional video on the key steps on how to use the product as well as helpful tips. Uses. Consistency can be plastic or pourable to suit the following typical applications. Bedding, such as for small column base plates or steel support structures. Grouting, such as non-critical caulking anchor bolts or top steel. And repairing, such as cavities in concrete in non-critical areas. Design criteria. A minimum clearance of 50 mm is required between bed and base. For smaller areas where the flow will not be restricted, a limited minimum thickness of 25 mm is recommended. When grouting anchor bolts, 3 times the bolt diameter is necessary. Pourable Duragrout GP has compressive strength after 7 days of 23 MPa and after 28 days up to 40 MPa. Step 1. Surface preparation. Provision for the escape of entrapped air must always be made. Contact surfaces must be clean, sound, free from dust and shutter release oils. Concrete surfaces must be thoroughly pre-wetted, but excess surface water must be removed prior to placing the grout. Surface and ambient temperatures must be greater than 5 degrees Celsius and rising. Always ensure that the shutters are watertight and sealed to prevent suction of water from the product. Ensure that the grout delivery head is of adequate height in order to accommodate the distance the grout must flow. Always pour from one side, thus ensuring that the grout fills the void without entrapping air. Step 2. Bonding or priming. For this product there is no primer required, but in certain instances ABE Epidermix 344 should be used where structural bonding is required. Ensure that the substrate is thoroughly surface saturated dry at least 12 hours prior to placing the grout. This reduces suction by the substrate that would absorb water from the grout and in turn impair the flow properties of the grout. Step 3. Mixing. Mixing of Duragrout GP may be carried out in a pan mixer, drum mixer, or by using a slow-speed heavy-duty electric drill fitted with a suitable paddle for mixing mortars. Add 3.5 liters of clean water to the mixing vessel. While stirring continuously, add the dry powder until the mixture is free of lumps. Then add 1 liter water, continue mixing until a smooth, creamy consistency is obtained. Total mixing time should be approximately 3 minutes. The water demand to obtain the desired plastic consistency for Duragrout GP must be reduced as required. For extending Duragrout GP, please refer to the product data sheet for more information. Coverage. 1 bag of Duragrout GP will yield approximately 14.5 liters of grout with a water demand of 4.5 liters. Step 4. Application. The mixed grout should be poured into the cavity at one point only to avoid entrapping air. For best results, mixed grout should be poured within 10 minutes of mixing and definitely within 30 minutes. If the grout is not placed immediately after mixing, keep the material agitated. Grouting mixture more than 30 minutes old must be discarded. Duragrout GP can be compacted by gentle rodding or punning. Do not retemper the grout. Should the consistency drop due to time lapse, discard the mix and mix a fresh batch of the product. Step 5. Cleaning. Duragrout GP should be removed from tools and mixing equipment immediately after use and before material has set with clean water. Cured material can be removed mechanically. Step 6. Protection on completion. Grout surfaces should be protected from wind or high temperature, which can cause rapid drying. Cover the surface with damp sacks. Alternatively, apply Cresocure R or WB curing compounds, or as recommended by ABE. Please note, for precision or other critical high-performance grouting requirements of heavy machinery or other applications, use duragrout. That concludes our instructional video. Please keep in mind that this video contains only the key steps on how to use this product. For detailed instructions and more technical information, please refer to the product's data sheet and methodology documents that can be found on our website at www.abe.co.za or call ABE Construction Chemicals on 011 306 9000.